All right, Lexi Craft Creations is ready to help you cast a love spell this Valentine's Day, but you're only going to do it with a gift idea, and this is one you'll simply love. Here to tell us about this interesting business initiative is owner Alexia Anderson. Good morning.
Hi, good morning.
Welcome to Smile Jamaica. It's morning time. First of all, love the signs.
Thank you.
What inspired you to do this in the first place?
Well, it's just my craft or passion, my passion for craft, actually, because when I was much smaller,
Maybe I have a passion for craft, you know, but I can't make nothing. So it's a little bit more than a passion, though.
No, it's like you just put it together, put your thoughts together, write down your ideas, and come up with something that's just outside the box.
You make it sound so easy.
Well, it's not. You have to practice.
All right, so where did you practice? At home? You're self-taught?
At home, yeah.
All right. Why signs? Why signs?
Because it speaks to you, it gives you a feeling. You can have your name in your room, which you look at it and say it's unique, it's out of the box for you.
All right, so what do you use? Some people would you use?
Styrofoam, because when you use styrofoam, it's much more lighter and it doesn't damage the wall at the wood.
Yeah.
So that's why I use styrofoam.
Styrofoam is not easy to manipulate. I mean, if I take up styrofoam and cut it, I might not.
Well,
So how long does the process take? If I want to, Valentine's is Friday. So if I want to make a sign for Omar, how long a time do you have to get a notice?
I basically can cut it in one day and do it, but because of school, I normally tell persons to give me 7 to 9 days because I have to do school and do the styrofoam.
School, where are you at?
Excelsior Community College doing tourism.
What, girl? No, man, let's see you work out everything already, man. So let's talk about some of the signs that we have this morning. The first one, talk to me, girl. So you can do custom-made things because already I'm seeing even the Smile logo and the Smile Jamaica, which is very beautiful, by the way.
Thank you.
So you can do custom-made things?
Yes.
So do I give you what? Tell me how it works.
So basically, you will contact me and I will send you a list of stuff, like the font size, the size you want. You will tell me the occasion you would want to use the name for, if it's for a photo shoot, room decor, or just...
If it's on the wall.
Yes. And then you will tell me the size you want, if it's block letters or joined letters, and I will tell you what's best to choose, depending on the occasion.
Depending on the occasion.
Yes.
All right. How durable?
Basically, if I use the one-sided foam holder, it holds forever. But if it's just foam with the paint, it will be... It's very lasting because I have mine from September, so that's... yeah.
I meet a lot of young people, Lexi, and they talk about starting a business or getting into business. Not just young people, a lot of Jamaicans are thinking now about doing their own business. What was it like for you?
Well, starting my business, it was summer 2019, and I was saying to my family, I need to do craft because I love doing that and that's my passion. So I went on Amazon, I looked on the cheapest set of equipment to start first, and when starting it was fine because I just bought the stuff, went home, did my baby cousin name at first, and it was my first one for her party and everyone loved it. So I'm like, okay, I'm going to start. So I bought a bigger equipment which costs more and it was worth it. So
you're already seeing the returns.
Yes.
So for persons who are interested in getting signs from you, what do they do?
They go on my IG page and contact me and tell me exactly what they want, and I'll let them choose the best options possible.
What's your IG address?
It's Lexi Craft Creations.
Lexi, just one word.
No, Lexi_Crafts Creations.
So Lexi_Craft Creations. You look out for her. As I like to tell you all the time on here, when young Jamaicans or Jamaican businesses are there, support them. Nobody go online, go order a sign when Lexi's here, and Lexi can do it for you and hook you up nice. You see that Smile Jamaica, how pretty? It looked like the Montego Bay. All right, let's move on. So thank you very much. Lexi's laughing. And all the best with you, with hospitality.
Thank you.
This is awesome. Very proud of you that you not only had the passion, you had the vision.
Yes.
And you went out and did it.
Yes.
So anybody want to big up before we go?
I want to shout out my two friends, Olanda and Talicia. And I also want to say thank you to Dane Williams for being a part, and my family, thank them a lot. They're really supportive.
All right, cool. Owner of Lexi Craft Creations. Look out for her Instagram, Alexia Anderson. All right, so stick around. We're going to wrap things up on the other side of this break. Soon come.